Ciao a tutti, ben ritrovati sul mio canale. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to take a look at some useful expressions using the verb fare. Fare is a very handy verb that you will encounter in a lot of everyday situations. However, many of the fare expressions we will go over will be idioms. If you're not sure what an idiom is, it's an expression that cannot be translated literally from English to Italian or vice versa. Let's take a look at some examples. Fare la spesa. To go grocery shopping. Faccio sempre la spesa al supermercato. I always go grocery shopping at the supermarket. Fare shopping. To go shopping. Di solito faccio shopping al centro commerciale. I usually go shopping at the mall. Fare una fotografia. To take a picture. Mi fai una foto, per favore? Can you take a picture for me, please? Fare la doccia. To have a shower. Di solito faccio la doccia la mattina. I usually have a shower in the morning. Fare il bagno. To have a bath. Lei fa il bagno tutti i giorni. She has a bath every day. Fare colazione. To have breakfast. Di solito facciamo colazione alle 7. We usually have breakfast at 7. Fare freddo o fare caldo. To be hot or to be cold. Oggi fa tanto freddo. Today it's really cold. Fare i compiti. To do homework. Faccio i compiti tutti i giorni. I do my homework every day. Fare un favore. To do someone a favor. Mi fate un favore? Could you guys do me a favor? Fare una pausa. To have a break. Facciamo una pausa tra 5 minuti? Do you want to take a break in 5 minutes? Fare una passeggiata. To go for a walk. Fanno sempre una passeggiata al parco. They always go for a walk at the park. Fare una domanda. To ask a question. Posso fare una domanda? Can I ask a question? Fare un errore. To make a mistake. Lui fa sempre errori banali. He always makes little mistakes. Okay, I think that's it for today. If you have any questions or additional expressions, please leave them in the comments down below and I'll answer as best I can. Ciao, alla prossima!